Boom. Oh shit, script. Yo, no. Oh, fuck. Blackberry is here. Blackberry cannot like me. Cam. Kimberly, bro. Hell, then I'm sorry. Mm.
your gear and weapons.
Pretty little baby.
Using field upgrade. Inserting armor.
Enemy soldier incoming. To the top 10. We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Hey, your stuff is red. Damn, children.
You got Lodi over here.
The one inside is broke.
Weapons free.
Inserting armor.
You have reinforcements inbound.
We got loadout.
Enemy UAV overhead. All bounty targets KIA. Well done.
Trusty Flake is in the building.
Airstrike ready for target. Friendly loadout dropped on the way.
Squad speed.
love it when I buy that traffic ninja.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. John Smith, no join.
Inserting armor. Operator establishing score streak.
Airstrike standing by.
Calling in score streak.
Enemy UAV.
Yes, go up at third.
Reloading.
Stand by for redeployment.
I'm good.
Enemy UAV overhead. Still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
I need to reload.
I'm good.
Back on station. Don't get off. UAV is online.
I need that shell.
This kid's here trying to land on me right now. Are you kidding me?
Your squad's in the top 5. 5 squads still operational in the AO.
Inserting armor.
That was dumb. You're gonna get me.
You a fool. Roof's clear. Oh, I see him.
Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
I was smart. Come on, you almost got me, bud. Come on. Oh, don't climb away from me.
They're both lit up.
You playing solo quads? No, I'm playing, I got 2 in here with me. They're randoms, but I got 2 with me. See these dots on my fucking TV?
Anda.
Every life has a price.
Film peut comer.
Let's fucking have it.
Hey, think about it, Jiggy.
Sir,
Oh,
you
Black Bear on Bermuda Gory. Black Bear.
thank it. Like a queue up.
Use this time for some target practice. Enemy soldier incoming.
Maluwag. Maluwag pa nito.
Yeah. Top.
Bala mo.
Switching mags.
Tayo sniper sa ito, okay. Really,
What's up, kid?
Soft it.
Hostile shooter.
There's one behind us too.
Inserting armor. Your squad's in the safe zone. Get ready to redeploy.
It's so awful. Holy.
10 remaining. Keep pushing.
Gagalo. Maluwag.
UAV in the area. Stand to you, soldier. Stay sharp. All on me now.
Reload.
Squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemy dropping into the AR. You have reinforcements inbound.
Ready for launch.
16 rounds. Out. We've got a loadout drop inbound. Eyes on enemy. Enemy UAV is online.
Oh shit.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get hunting. Your squad mates redeployed. Well done.
Is that slow deal?
I don't know.
Enemy
I'ma try it.
enemy advanced UAV.
One.
You got a team of Harbor though.
Bom falar aí.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Sniper.
Software's over here.
Acho maluco.
Yeah.
Alright.
We're leaving.
Additional target added. Under fire. Gas is moving.
Shit.
Another chance. Weapons free.
I'm good. Some grandmas.
Damn. Hmm?
Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is active.
Darn, mấy con mày đâu. Oh, boss, opposite side, opposite side.
Yeah.
Greenhouse. What the fuck is...
Ali şu an izle.
Stay alive. All on me now.
You guys not playing.
Yes.
Firefight done. Prices are back to normal. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Precision airstrike available. Target mark. Send it. Taking fire. Bring it up. No more seconds. Supply crates have been restocked. Load up.
Keep on loading.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Was it a game B left now?
Made it to the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
What the fuck, bro? Oh, that could have been mine.
Damn, that's crazy, bro. That's so crazy. Bro, this guy crazy. You still blame that. You blame Warzone is crazy, bro. There's something wrong over here, bro.
We're headed to the war zone. Get geared up. Stand by. Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back faster.
What's up, bro? Do you have a mic?
Let's go. Let's go.
Overhead.
Oh, there it is.
UAV is online. Reinforcements inbound. Priority tasking request received. We're done.
Help, motherfuckers, help!
Keep pushing.
Friendly loadout drops on the way. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemy UAV is online. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Squad mates are in the safe zone. You've got gas moving in. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Why am my screen so fucking crazy?
one left but me.
Redeploy. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices. Hostile UAV in the area. Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone. You have reinforcements inbound. Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Enemy UAV overhead.
Awaiting target data.
Setting waypoint.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Reloading.
Resurgence control. No more second shots.
Se mueve de what the fuck, like. Well, I'm using 4. Fuck that.
Target pretty strong. Look out, Steve.
Get an LGBR on my mark. Loading new enemy grenade.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the air. Safe zone. Losing ground. Moving.
TACOM, I need eyes overhead.
You got 4 remaining. Stay sharp.
Switching mags.
5 squads still operational in the AO.
UAV available to rescue.
Get a UAV on route. Oi, that was too fucking close.
What am I doing? This guy crazy. Oh! Oh, those guys are.
Squads left in the war zone. Stay alert. Valiant effort. Keep your head up and return to base to debrief. Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
How the hell I'm a commando, bro? I got smacked. I don't know.
Clock's ticking, Black Ops. Close this shit down. Bomb plan in progress. Bomb active.
Bullshit.
The enemy's defused our bomb.
Yeah, I just got the boxing girl. I want to punch somebody in the face with him. My bad.
We was outnumbered that round too.
Imagíname.
Yeah.
How will invite him, Moki?
Okay.
Oh, search and not join. Not join invite here. Yes, search. All the wild things on.
Let's get it through the day. I'm around when the drunk and my knees can't pick me up. And I'm drunk on my knees can't pick me up. This is like a fire train up on my rain. I've got a chain. For the pain. Ha ha, this life is crazy. This is like a bit of frame that got away. I won't have another angel go to waste. This life is crazy. It's your phone. Drink with a couple of drugs. Damn. Doing the mo, gotta release somebody. It's our spawn. How far that I will go. Think it takes us all. Gone, I'm gone. For the pain. This life is crazy. Right away, I will never leave. Rest. This life is crazy. If I never have.
Okay, music. Don't need to be singing in my ear.
Have.
Can't even sing well.
Damn.
Run the fucking A-bomb. Goddamn, he's got some blue shit on him. I hesitated. I should listen to you now.
One bedroom. One bedroom. Bedroom's dead.
Find him. End him. They're gearing up for a final push. Hope you left some in the tank. Hardcore search and destroy. Eliminate the objective.
At the outside, I'm out by that bar to the good
Nice
go.
try, bitch.
If you know what's good for your heart, did you sit down? That 80 by t-shirt is big. That's back a B. They're spawn. That big old that whiskey on that shelf. That big old what's up shots for no. Where's go? Upstairs. That kiss is gonna kill you in the morning.
Oh,
But it ain't
shut
gonna
up.
end too good. All I want in the morning. So call what I want.
Can you guys try?
If I say that, I play about 2 a.m.
He's a random, right? Oh, that's
Then you get a
I got
mic.
a bus button, so don't pick you up till let you down. Jump in the ground.
They're trying to be Selena
You
Gomez.
right now should've gone in the warning. Should've been back there, don't sip on what they're pouring.
Frank.
Cause it's gonna kill you in the morning. That ain't gonna
47.
end too good.
No, there's not my friend.
Come with a warning. In the bathroom, behind the tub. Fire it up and hit the headlights. Just round at the next red light. Just somebody ready to give me some downtime.
Crazy.
Would come with a warning. Would come with a warning.
Get better, serious. You're camping your ass off, buddy, on hardcore.
In your
What's your
spawn.
camping
boy.
is on a
In your
platform.
spawn. Look at that. Halfway
Fucking
through the
don't
map. In your
camp.
spawn.
I don't care what side. Takes a lot of skill to
Halfway
camp,
through the
buddy.
map. In your spawn.
Oh my god. The fuck ever.
Guns up. Destroy the objective.
That's not a bomb.
Hello there. TikTok. Search and destroy. This is the guy in this thing.
But this is where the bar goes down. Go ahead, Clamp. Saving up by need and the brassy and no juicy in the vase. Jesus save blue jean baby. That's upstairs. Start
Oh,
fading,
I
little
got
left
him,
off New
dude.
York to LA.
Got him.
Teenage dreaming, Spencelina, baby, come give me a kiss. On the cover of a Rolling Stone, let's tear down on the blowing up the smoking out on
We're halfway through the map,
blowing
and
that
you
smoke
saw it, and you talk
Funny.
Saturday
about we
night.
can't
People
man.
have to talk
Little
shit on
messed up, but we're
hardcore.
all
Hear a lot of mumbling.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Why? Hardcore is hardcore.
I'd fuck it up with that your jacket. Monday afternoon at practice. Sister's got a boyfriend, daddy doesn't lie.
Oh, hell no. You just made up
With the
songs.
two skips apple light. There's
Two
side of
on
A. Born in the USA. On A-bomb? New York to
One on the
LA.
ground.
Teenage
One on the
dreamer,
ground.
let's see Lena, babe, come give me a kiss.
Our side. Our
Oh
side, eh?
my god.
Rolling up in a little houses, smoking on couches, spilling that smoke on Saturday night.
That bitch.
Little messed up, but we're all
Oh
right.
shit, you got the guy. He's hiding on the corner, yeah. Okay, left.
In the corner.
Hey, what
In the
Jesus say, but
corner.
would you
I was in
let
the
him
chopper gunner, dumbass. I had to get out, so I would be in my corner.
Too bad your chopper gunner didn't kill me.
Do
That
Do you want
sucks.
more rounds?
That
Do you want more?
sucks.
I got the fuck out.
That
Teenage
sucks. That sucks. Just
I'll
waste
give
your
it to
chopper
you.
gunner. That sucks.
Do you want more
That's
rounds?
bad.
Get
That's too
another one.
bad. You didn't even get a kill with that
I
chopper
get
gunner, I
another
don't
one.
think.
You're
Man, that's
garbage.
shitty.
Rolling up
That's
in
Delusional.
little pink houses, smoking out on
And
Peru
gassy.
couches,
What
blowing
kind of
that
song
smoke
is
on
this?
Saturday night. Little messed up,
That
but
is
we're all right.
Pathetic crimson bastards a lesson. Hostile UAV established overhead.
I'll take that down. Don't waste your bullets. That's gone. I win, I like it, it's not that I've ever seen. A California dream, yeah, she was shaking them hips. Some old Motown song, Jeff didn't say a thing. So I sang along.
So you sing along,
Heartache on
right?
the he's upstairs.
So you sing
I gotta know her name. I got to see her again. It got me wondering. The game. Where's she at? Where's she at? Where's she at tonight?
Can you get a mic? Hey, I cannot hear you. Can you get a mic?
Oh,
Can you get a mic? Get a mic. Get a mic. I can't hear you. Get a mic.
Just
I
been
can't hear you.
around this
Get a
little
fucking
West Coast
mic.
town.
I cannot hear you.
I
Go eat a
stayed at
burrito.
closing time
Go eat
and
a
a little
burrito.
mystery. If you look
Delusional
at
garbage
me.
cans.
Yeah.
Ooh, Skyline.
Skyline?
I love a good Skyline. Ooh, there's an echo.
Meow.
Mm.
Dommy nice.
I do love the sound of my own voice.
Ooh, you sound sexy.
Conceited much?
Yeah, a little bit actually.
Good nigga, Toby.
Me, wow.
The bad boy.
I like
Bad boy.
cock.
Playing that butt.
Yeah, we're just gonna pause on that one for a while.
Meow.
Me, wow.
I'm gonna dig in that booty.
Glakiana.
Defend the objective.
Bitch.
Bombs on A.
Bedrooms. Three. Two up.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yo, I don't know what the fuck am I doing. I jumped
Not
off.
much time left. Put this to bed. There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them. The enemy's on their back foot. Don't let up.
What a waste.
What a waste!
Get away, get away, get away, get away now.
Look at her, look at her, look at her. Look, ooh! Oh! Oh!
Oh, he's coming.
Hardcore search and destroy. Shoot to kill. We're not here to negotiate. Carry down.
Laying down at the fireplace behind A. That one. Up top. Ooh.
TACCOM, get me a UAV.
Objective remains. Terminate
On that
extreme pressure.
roof.
Don't be fooled. One victory is not the war.
Oh yeah, we're coming.
Gucci. Thanks for the like. Thank you for the like. Blue star. Blue star. Oh God! Oh, what?
Bro, if you're not gonna say call up quiet.
There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them.
See, you talk too fucking much. Upstairs, by B.
Aw, you rat, bro. Fair enough, fair enough. Changing it.
Why is my team blaming me, bro? It's funny, you trying to blame me like...
Hardcore search and destroy. Use of deadly force has been approved.
Fucking guy, bro. Back A in the corner
Planting
left.
the bomb. Charges set.
On A?
With extreme prejudice.
Bomb this
You're a
dude.
kill team of one. Put your head down and close this out. We've taken the last.
Gotta get hit. Boom, boom, boom.
Hardcore search and destroy. Remind the fugitives that actions have consequences.
Oh. Planning already.
Enemies planted. What's your best work? Clean it up.
But he drew a circle around her.
You sure you put the glasses on, bro? I don't know where mine are.
Hardcore search and destroy. Eliminate the objective.
Yo.
You're the last one standing. Finish the job. Failures not in Crimson's lexicon. Do better.
Meow. Meow. Meow, buddy.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Go away, I'm gonna go top.
Protect the objective.
I don't wanna go in front of you again. I'll shoot it down. Down.
Enemy charges set. There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them. We're deactivating the bomb. Disarming the bomb. Bomb offline. Now, hit them again before they mount a counter-offensive.
Meow. Meow.
Hardcore search and destroy. Destroy the objective.
The corner is crazy. Bottom B in the corner, behind the piano.